Welcome to our channel, where we take a closer look
at the luxurious lifestyle of Shaikha Mahra.
Shaikha Mahra is a well-known socialite and member of the royal family of the United Arab Emirates. She is known for her extravagant taste and love for the finer things in life. From her designer wardrobe to her private jet, Shaikha Mahra's lifestyle is one of luxury and opulence. She is often seen attending high-end events and parties, wearing the latest designer fashions and jewelry. But it's not just her fashion sense that sets her apart. Shaikha Mahra is also known for her love of travel. She has been spotted in some of the most exotic and beautiful destinations around the world, including the Maldives, the French Riviera, and the Greek Isles. In addition to her luxurious lifestyle, Shaikha Mahra is also known for her philanthropy. She supports a number of charitable causes and is a patron of various arts and culture organizations. Whether it's her designer wardrobe, private jet, or philanthropy, Shaikha Mahra's lifestyle is truly one of a kind. She is the epitome of luxury and opulence. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content.